Alright y'all, here we go real quick. I'm getting ready to show y'all a brief little quick install on a Ring doorbell. Now I'm not even gonna lie to you. This one right here, I'm gonna show you the back of it because I done did all sorts of crazy things to it already. Cause I got a little confused. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But at the end of the day, this is pretty much a very basic install. I'm gonna just show you some of the simple things you can do real quick. So just go on ahead and install this Ring doorbell. Now I did already take off this dirty old button that's been sitting out there forever. I'm gonna show you that real quick. Just something real simple you can do, but that's basic. You'll be able to see how to do that. But 4 to 5 minutes, I'll show you how to do this install. Alright y'all, so it's getting dark outside. What we're getting ready to do while I've been getting caught up with all these little one-up things is just install a refurbished Ring doorbell camera. I'm going to do this install real quick. It's only going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to actually install a Ring doorbell camera. It doesn't take long. These are actually all the tools I'm going to need right here. I really don't even need this drill. I'm actually going to just use this screwdriver right here with some electrical tape, and I already got those in the wall. So I'm going to show you this real quick. I already took the doorbell out. The doorbell was, see if I can get it on camera, right there. So when you take your doorbell out, that's where it is. You're just gonna have those two wires right there behind your doorbell. So I already grabbed a hammer drill, and I put 2 holes in, and then I hammered in 2 plastic anchors, and we're gonna put the screws into that later. But all you're getting ready to do when you do these installs on the outside is you're just going to take those 2 wires right there, and you're going to put them on the back of your Ring camera, here or there. It doesn't matter which one of those 2 you connect them to, as long as the connection gets terminated. So either or, there's no specific positive and negative when it comes to a doorbell on which way you go. It just needs the connection to be terminated. So what we're going to do now is just connect those 2 wires right there to the back of this camera and mount that to the wall. Now one thing I did do real quick was inside your Ring box, you're going to get these 2 black long cables. I got some horrible fingernails because I've been working outside with these plants. Check my other video out in a minute. But you're going to get these 2 cables inside your Ring box. Since I actually had to move the camera all the way over here, which is a little bit of a difference from over there, I needed that actual extension right there. So again, I'm doing this with basic stuff you can get at your house or at your local dollar store. I'm not gonna go run to the store and get all sorts of special connectors right now. I'm just showing you how you can do this real quick on your own by yourself. So again, I just put those on there real quick to get some extensions. Now we're gonna go on ahead and connect it to the camera. And then after we connect it to the camera, we're gonna mount it to the wall. So next, you're gonna wanna grab this plate right here. This is going to be your leveler right there, so if you want to know if it's straight up and down, if you want to use that or not. But you're going to want to grab this first, take these and throw them in through this right here. You're going to want them put through that there first. I said that all messed up, but you're going to want to put them through that right there first, then screw them to your camera. You're gonna see it light up just like that. So I'll be honest with y'all, I did not turn the power off when I did this Ring doorbell install. That is an absolute no-no, something you want to do. You always want to make sure you turn your power off when you're working on something like this. There you go, she's lit up. Now we're gonna ready to go ahead and mount her to the wall for you. All you're gonna want to do after that is you're gonna want to take this hole right here. It's getting dark on me now. And you're gonna want to line it up with the hole that's right there on this bracket. I don't know if you can see it right now, so there you go, right there. You're gonna take that hole right there and line it up with the hole is right there on the inside. So line that hole up, this hole, boom, and then you're gonna screw it in. I'm not going to show you me screwing this whole thing into the wall like that right now, but you pretty much get the gist. I had to turn the light on for y'all because like I said, every time you come to my page, you're going to wind up seeing me doing something at night. Why I don't do things in the daytime, I don't know. But boom, you see, she's on there, done. Next step. Gonna grab your little ring clip, whatever color that you want, because the kit comes with 3 different colors, but since they have brown out here at this house, we're gonna take this brown one, just like that, slap it on. Oh, put it on a little bit crooked. Well, there we go, slapped on. So my camera's looking crooked from back here. So there it is, Ring doorbell, it's installed. We do got that little bit of ugliness over there. I'm gonna go ahead and fix that up in a minute, but there you go. Outside Ring doorbell installed, 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you one last quick thing you gotta do on the inside real quick. Now I actually already did just do it. I should have waited, I wasn't thinking, but just grab me a ladder, and then you're gonna want to find where your actual doorbell chime is in your house. Now I have a mechanical chime. I don't have a digital chime. I have a mechanical, and I'm about to show you the difference real quick. Let's go look at it. Just pop them off just like that normally. Just lift it and pull it down. You're gonna get this ring box. You're gonna get that box right there, and it's gonna have these plug that comes out of it right there. And again, all you're going to want to do is go to your positive and your negative of your actual chime. If you don't know what the difference is between a digital and mechanical chime is, your mechanical is going to have something in it where you can actually see, if you touch it, you'll see something move. That means you have an actual mechanical chime. This thing is actually pretty bad. You see it's got some little spark marks in there, and ugh, it actually looks kind of nasty. But anyway, that's your mechanical chime. A digital chime is going to be all just a speaker and a whole setup like that. It's not going to actually have any kind of components in it that actually move. So you're going to take this box right here, and you're going to connect that to your positive and your negative. Either or, it doesn't matter. And what that's going to do is actually going to let this box right here connect with your actual ring. So when people actually ring your Ring doorbell, it's going to make this chime move just like that. And when it's all said and done, you just take this right here. That's where I put mine at. Nowhere real special. You can hide it. You can Velcro it, stick it up, down, anywhere you want to put it. Just hide anywhere that you need to put it at. So check it out. Believe it or not, while I was doing that last couple of videos, I dropped my phone out here and I broke it. So if the quality looks just slightly different, I apologize. I'm just going to push the button real quick just so you can get an example of what it looks like and what it sounds like after you got everything hooked up, wired up, and ready to go. So with that said and done, I'm getting ready to go ahead and set this on the inside by the Alexa device so you can actually watch what it does when someone comes to your door. Okay, so this might get a little choppy on you, but I'm getting ready to show you what the actual device is getting ready to do when someone actually pushes the doorbell and rings it on you.
Someone is at the front door.
So if you notice right now on the actual device, it's showing you who's at your front door, and it's going to do that no matter which device you have. And let me see what I can do right now, because I can't be two places at the same time. That's what I mean by when it shows the actual rings going around the camera. So I'm back inside. I had to buffer and do some other things, so I'm not sure exactly what the quality is going to look like till I come back to my camera. But there you go, Ring camera. Grab one. It's probably one of the most efficient things I think that any homeowner should have for their house for the most part. Whether it's Ring or somebody else, a digital camera is what you need for your doorbell. And Ring just happens to be someone who I trust personally, so there you go.